नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. इस समय हमारे साथ उपस्थित सभी दर्शकों और भक्तों का मैं प्रेम एवं आशीर्वाद सहित स्वागत करता हूँ. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis, Srimahans, Mahants, Tanedars, Kotaris sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, Sadhana TV, two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha in many countries, many cities around the world. Cities sitting with us in two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. Nityananda University, Los Angeles, Nityananda University, Paris, Toronto, Kailasam, Singapore, Singapuram, Pidadishwari's Training Center, Salem, Charlotte, Srisailam, Oklahoma, Somanatham, Washington DC, Sripuram, Phoenix, Kanchipuram, Seattle, Chidambaram, Port Washington, New York, Guadalupe, Rameshwaram, Tiruvanmiyur, Chennai, Bididi, Nityananda Nagara, Bididi, Nityananda Nagaramu, Hyderabad, Nityananda Nagar, Tiruvannamalai, High Point, North Carolina, Calgary, Amarnath, Phoenix, Kanchipuram, Hyderabad, Guptakashi, Rancho Cucamonga, California, St. Louis, Tirumala, New York, Varanasi, Grasse, France, Houston, Texas, Hyderabad, Guptakashi, Abu Dhabi, Kuala Lumpur, Palani, Ohio, Prayag, Adi Nityananda Dhyana Peedam, Avattipalayam. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today I will resume, I will come back to the living Advaita Teamily process. Team plus family is Teamily. People with whom you work, people with whom you live. People with whom you work is team, people with whom you live is family. Both put together I call Teamily. So being in the Advaita with the Teamily, the inner awakening participants, for you it may be a little new if you are watching the satsang only for last few days. Maybe last 2 months I am guiding people through certain process, step by step, to experience the non-duality with the people whom you work and with the people with whom you share your life. First you need to experience Advaita with the people around you. Only then it can become a day-to-day living reality for you. If you want Advaita to become a day-to-day living reality, this is the only way. Please understand, You can go on be thinking about Advaita, talking about Advaita, constantly in irritation and agitation and fight with the persons, people with whom you are sharing your life. Nothing will happen. Neither Advaita will happen to you, nor it will happen to others. If Advaita comes to you, it may lose its grace. So the first thing need to happen is you bringing Advaitic space with your teamily, the people with whom you work, the people with whom you share your life. Please understand, this will be one of my unique contribution. This will be one of the important component of Nityananda Smriti, means lifestyle. Everything I am doing, as simple as asking you to wear the sandalwood paste on the forehead, to as difficult as asking you to do completion with your spouse, or asking you to wear white during satsang and black during yoga, whatever I am asking you, everything is aimed at making you experience non-duality with your teamily. Because that is the first, foremost step. Please listen. First, foremost step to make Advaita as a lifestyle. Re-establishing, reviving the great Sanatana Hindu Dharma is possible only by living it. Please understand, I am telling you one very important secret. If Advaita becomes your strategy, lifestyle, you don't need anybody else to defend you. Advaita will defend you, you will defend Advaita. Understand? If you make Advaita as your strategy planning, you don't need anyone to defend you in your life. Advaita will defend you, you will defend Advaita. I'll explain how Advaita can become a strategy in all the moments of your life, whether it is celebration or crisis, high moments or depression, excitement or desperation. Whatever may be the moments of your life, Advaita is the best strategy. Listen. Any attack coming towards you is unknown part of you. Get ready to know the unknown part of you with the knowledge of known parts of you. Listen. Get ready to know the unknown parts of you with the knowledge of known components of you. There are tons of things which you know about you. Tons of components of you is known to you. With that knowledge, with that strength, get ready to face the unknown components of you. I'll make it more practical. Before that, I just wanted to remind you all And remember, today is the day the great saint Tirungnana Sambandar re-established Saivism in Madurai. The 5th day of Meenakshi Brahmotsavam, and we bow down to Mahadeva and Devi, who came down as Tirungnana Sambandar and re-established Shaivism in Madurai. The king of Madurai got reconverted, came back to Shaivism on this same day, the 5th day of the Brahmotsavam. On this very day, he established the great tradition of Shaivism back in Madurai. Even though the temple and monastery was there, the king lost the way. He went away to different way of lifestyle. He was brought back, and Shaivism was established, re-established on this very day by Tirungnana Sambandar. We offer our prayers to Mahadeva on this 5th day of the Brahmotsavam celebration.
மந்திரமாவது நீரு, வானவர் மேலது நீரு, சுந்தரமாவது நீரு, துதிக்கப்படுவது நீரு, தந்திரமாவது நீரு, சமயத்தில் உள்ளது நீரு, செந்துவர் வாயுமை பங்கன் திரு ஆலவாயன் திருநீரே, ஆலவாயன் திருநீரே, திரு ஆலவாயன் திருநீரே.
ஜெய ஜெய சங்கர ஹர ஹர சங்கர ஹர ஹர சங்கர ஜெய ஜெய சங்கர.
With these same words, Tirungnana Sambandar gave the sacred ash from the kitchen oven or furnace, whatever you call the cooking. They cook with the firewood. That ash he gave with this very verse you heard now, just now. With that he gave, healed the king's hunchback and a fever which kills. I don't know medically, sorry, in allopathy, what is the term we use here in the modern days? You can say almost like a dengue or H1N1, kind of a fever which comes and kills the person. The backbone will be bent slowly and the person will die. That was the disease the king had, the Pandya king. So, Tirungnana Sambandar, who is the incarnation of Mahadeva and Devi, gives the ash from the kitchen, singing this very verse, and immediately king becomes all right, his back becomes straight and the fever disappears. By evening he got converted to Shaivism. Morning the healing happened, evening he got converted to Shaivism, And next day morning, that night, the Shaivism has been declared as a religion of Pandya kingdom. Next day morning, Jnanasambandar, means tomorrow morning, Jnanasambandar had a coronation as a Rajaguru. The king offered his whole kingdom to Tirunjnanasambandar. With the grace of Jnanasambandar, as per the Shaivite tradition, the kingdom started functioning. So today is the day Jnanasambandar re-established Shaivism, got the king back, got the kingdom back. Let's re-establish ourselves in Advaita, come on.